Stand up.
Stand up.
Delay my Z Vanguard.
My avatar.
It's a draw trigger. Jesus, that was the worst stand-up Vanguard ever.
going
It's
first,
like
draw.
falling all over the place.
Ride. Your go.
Draw turn. Judge, my hand is bad.
Judge.
Ride, draw, swing, 8K.
If you take it, you draw 17.
No pass.
Good.
Draw. Cool. Makes my hand even better.
Cuckoo.
Ride. Call. 10K.
Guard. Damage.
10K.
No guard. Damage.
Skill. Push this off. Draw one. And soul charge.
Hell yeah. My turn, stand draw.
Yep.
Ride, lay hamster. The other one's on soul, so 14 Van.
Gains 5K if there's
Yep.
something so.
If the grid one's on soul.
14K, no guard.
Cool.
Damage. And
Go ahead.
stand. Draw. Alright, Amico. Force.
Ham chops.
Call. 10K.
Stop. Oh, God.
I'm just trying to soul charge a crit.
Guard.
Push the soul. Draw one. I needed that for my twin drive.
I'm sure you did.
Push the soul. 23K to Van.
No guard.
Twin drive first. Second draw. Power to Van. Draw.
Damage, draw, power, and draw.
It's your go, ma'am.
Stand, draw. Calling ma'am. Ride.
Man, I was really
hamster.
hoping you had to ride Leopold.
I almost had to. Skill. I'm actually gonna drop you.
Good, drop Leopold. Do it. Drop both Leopolds. Drop both Leopolds. I know you got two of them, otherwise you want to be dropping the first one.
Cards in name?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Shit.
1 damage.
Drop and drop. Give me the additional rear guard circle.
Hey, at least you get a free call out of it. Hey, buddy.
2 free calls.
Oh,
I
yeah,
actually
two
might
free
not
calls.
place it there. Let me take a look at my hand.
Place them over top of each other?
Yeah, they're retired.
Hamster power. They both gain.
He's in soul gains 5. I'm just kidding.
Get an additional Vanguard circle.
Yeah, get an additional Vanguard.
Okay, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and call you here and you here. You gain 4K, you'll gain 3K. Call you there, you gain power of your own. Hell yeah. Frack. I'll do 18 Van. $22 Van. 12K trig to hit.
Two pass.
Crit, all effects to Geograph. And then 37 plus crit.
Damage 1, crit, power. Damage 2, heal. Power to Vanguard, and I'll recover the critical.
Enter.
Stand. Draw. Rewrite Hamiko. Force here. I will call, skill, counterblast. Reduce the next time I was blast by 3. Give this 3K. I'm gonna do it again. Think. Give this another 3K. Miko skill. Soul blast 1. Draw back to the bottom of the deck. Goes off 3 times. 1. 10K here. 2. 10K here. And 3. 10K. Call, seal, one place, top 3. 1, 2, 3. Push to soul. 13K van.
Intercept with the hamster.
23, 33, 43, 49K van.
No guard.
Swing 20, 30K at the panda. Zach, pay attention to my twin drive.
Guard.
Your go.
Stand. Draw. Ride Leopold. Goes off twice after they get the Excel. Once. Trigger unit. Plus 15 and a crit.
Get another trick. Get another trick.
2.
My hand was looking so beautiful too. It's looking so good.
Call those 2. I will do tank mouse. Cards in there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cards in your hand.
6.
So 8 after 25.
Call and call. Another 8K. Swing 16 to your Vanguard. If it hits, I Soul Blast the draw.
27, 18. How much is that reverb?
14.
14. That's 14. No guard that. Heal. Power. And you're at 4. Recover.
Soul Blast to draw cards since it hit. Swing 14 at rear. $27 plus crit. Twin drive 1, draw trigger. I'll give 10,000 here and draw. Second. 27.
Draw. Power to van. Draw.
28 rear.
28 rear.
And that is my turn.
Stand. Draw. Cards in hand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Call with your frogs. Skill. So less 3.
5, 6, 7 cards. Let me just get rid of these. I know where to put them all. They're all gonna annoy me. Okay. You there, you there, you there, you there, you there, you there, you there.
Counterblast. Rest. Bounce back to hand. Do it again. 1, 2, 3.
5, 6, 7. Dude. Oh, I'm gonna move them out again. They're gonna annoy the shit out of me. call.
Cards in deck.
6.
Call. Push the soul. 3 units gain 3k. That's not gonna matter because it's resting. I'll just give it to it just because. Call. Push the soul. 3 units gain 3k. Do that again. Do that again just because. Call. Skill. Counterblast. Rest. Bounce back to hand. Call. Soul.